We got a nice drenching rain yesterday, and we avoided the winter weather. I know a few of you reported you were pretty sure you were seeing some snow flurries and that kind of thing late last night, but unfortunately we were just too far south for any of that. All the snow pretty much stayed north from about Denton and Collin counties on north. They got pretty decent snow last night. Dallas area had maybe some snowflakes mixing in. Our area, though, just rain, but plenty of it. This morning, things are quiet. A beautiful picture from Josh Garibay here of the morning sun coming up over these clouds, and a lot of blue this morning. I expected a little more cloud cover today, but looks like we are setting up for a beautiful afternoon as we do have drier air moving in. All that dry air keeping all the rain out, so all of that has moved off to the east. Nothing on radar for our area here. As we look at daytime highs today, though, we will be chilly. We're going to be in the 40s, upper 40s, 47, 48 degrees across the area, but tonight we do drop below freezing. So not a hard freeze, no pipe busting weather tonight, at least for most of the area. We could have some upper 20s in low-lying areas, but for the most part, just enough to cover the plants, maybe bring some plants in if you can, bring in the pets, that kind of thing. Just be mindful of those temperatures out there. Let's look at some rainfall totals that we had. Really, the farther west you went, the better chance you had of getting a decent rain in Ellis County. Eastern part of the county, the I-45 corridor from Ferris, about 1.25 inches. Ennis, right around an inch there. 1.5 inches in Waxahachie, 1.33 inches in Italy, and then 1 3/4 inches there in Midlothian. You get over to Johnson County, about 1.5 inches in Cleburne, 1.75 in Grandview, 1.63 there in Venus, and looks like 2 inches there in Northern Hill County for the Itasca area. So these are radar estimated based on the precipitation that moved through. These are not exact numbers. I think we got 1.28 inches overnight last night here at the studio, just outside of Waxahachie. So it really just kind of depended on where you were in Ellis County as far as how much rain you actually got. So today we have this visible satellite image. You can see the sunrise moving across the landscape here. Some clouds, but again, it is relatively clear here. So I'm expecting the dry air that's in place. This is that water vapor. You see this brown line here. This is all that drier air. I do expect that to help clear us out and give us a gorgeous afternoon today. Across the country, it's pretty clear from the heartland on to the west, but off to the east, that storm does continue to march off to the east, and there's some severe weather going on in southern Georgia, Florida right now, that area, right in the warm sector of that system, and that low just continues to push off to the east. There is this front here in the Midwest, and I don't expect that to impact our area. If anything, that's just kind of helping to push that other system out of here. But we do have another front that will be moving southward that will cool things down a little bit, bring another chance of rain to our area. Here's the forecast today. I think we're looking at a little more sun than that. Northwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour, so we're in the upper 40s, but it'll feel a little bit chilly out there. Overnight tonight, we do drop into the 30s, so keep that in mind. Tomorrow, it's sunny with less wind, but temperature still right around the upper 40s, and then overnight, another freezing night there. Friday, we start warming up. Southwest winds return, 57 degrees for that high. And then Saturday, we do have another front coming in, not a major front, not a big chance of rain. Pretty cloudy day expected with a 30% chance of rain, breezy south winds, and that'll be our warmest day, around 60 degrees. And then from there, we get into next week, Sunday, 55 degrees there, just a little bit cooler, but breezy north winds. So again, it'll be a cool breeze blowing through the area. Then Monday and Tuesday, our next chance for rain, a 40% chance Monday, 30% chance Tuesday, with highs in the 50s. So for now, a beautiful few days on tap, a cloudy and a little bit of rain on Saturday, and then more rain as we get into the early part of next week.